We have an orphan mesh over here, and we have a few edges that are causing us trouble. So we're gonna create a rigid body element in order to stop them from moving around and giving us errors. So I am gonna go to mesh, toggle entity locator. This menu will open. I'm gonna select element since this is an orphan mesh and click on free edges, and now we can see a whole bunch of free edges. Not all free edges are giving us a trouble, only the ones that are shared, right? So here I have some free edges, for example, that gonna cause some headaches when we run an analysis. So I'm gonna create a rigid body element to kind of stiffen up this area and stop it from giving us errors. So go to model, come down here at the type, make sure you select rigid. Okay, RBE2. I don't know which one's gonna be my master node, so I'm gonna let Femap decide one at the center of all the independent nodes under all the dependent nodes that I'm gonna pick right now. Let's pick all the nodes that I want involved in this little setup. I'm gonna pick some nodes on the triangle that is highlighted with yellow and some on the neighboring ones, and I want all these to kind of come together with my RBE spider. So okay, from here we selected all of these, and now if I want all these dependent nodes to copy all the motions, all 6 degrees of freedom, from this independent one that it will calculate at the center of all of these. If you click OK, cancel, now we can see that it added a nice red spider. If we go to like wireframe, there you go, you can see how it tied everything together. And here there was no node. This is the master node that it created to dominate all these other ones that I created, I selected. Alright, there you go. And the same thing happened down here. I set it up earlier. If we go back to the model tree, go to element by type and the rigids, you can click edit and it will cycle through all the rigid body elements that you've already set up. This is my full model, and you can tell I even colored some of them differently. I have some rigid body elements down here representing landing gear. I have them colored yellow, and then you can cycle through them one by one. And this one that we set up right now, I colored them red, and as you can tell there's a few other ones, and if you color them different than your mesh, they're easy to spot. And now that you reopened this dialog box, you can actually see this filled out. This is the node that it created, and then it gave it a number. There you go, its identity is 749. Okay, and that would be all. Alrighty, short video, hopefully was useful. Have a good one.